Owners of PHEVs equipped with a Mitsubishi remote control system can remotely control some functions of their vehicle. All they have to do is install the Mitsubishi Connect app on their smartphone. In this video, we'll show how to schedule the vehicle's climate control system to heat or cool the car at specific times. Start by downloading and installing the Outlander PHEV app, which features several remote control functions that are made available via the wireless network. Open the app. Now, let's set the remote climate controls. Start by selecting the timer icon at the bottom of the phone screen. Select Climate Control. And now you see 5 available charging time slots and a mode selector at the top, which lets you select Cool, Heat, or Defrost. Let's select Cool, and then let's program times for timer number 1, and let's program the cooling to begin at 1700 hours, or 5 p.m., and we can set this to repeat on Wednesday. Then select OK. Now let's set the time interval. So click on the Climate Operating Time drop-down button and select 10 minutes. Again, we must send the schedule to the vehicle. We see the completed screen, which confirms the schedule has been received by the vehicle. And now we know the AC will run for 10 minutes, starting at 5 p.m. on Wednesdays. To go back to the home screen, touch the word Back on the upper left of the screen, and then touch the Home icon on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to set your climate control timers. Enjoy your PHEV experience, and feel free to learn more about your PHEV in our videos, your quick reference guide, and your Mitsubishi Owner's Manual.